So what you want to do is open the Finder folder. So you can either go to your dock and then click on Finder, and then it will pop up just like that. Or another way is to just use keyboard shortcuts. So you go on your keyboard and then you press Command F, and then once you do that, then it will open the Finder folder. Then you want to go here to the menu bar on top here where you see the Apple icon, Finder, File, Edit, and then you want to click on Go. Right here where my mouse is, and then once you click on Go, you want to scroll all the way down and get to Home. You can also use the shortcuts here. They also help for you to work faster when you're on your MacBook, and then just click on it once. And then once you do that, it will show you all the folders that are in Home, and then you want to click on the folder you're trying to move. In this case, I want to move the desktop folder to this favorites part on the sidebar, so it's easier for you to access it. So you just click on it with your mouse or your trackpad, and then you press down on it just once, and then you drag it. So before you drag it, right now I'm still holding my mouse down, I'm still pressing down on my mouse, and in this case if you're using your trackpad, just stay like that, and then you can place it where you want to. This line indicates where you can drop it off. Then once you do that, you've dragged anything from the home folder to your favorites, and then it removes it. If you want to put it back, you just drag it and then you place it where you want it. So if you close the Finder folder and then you open it again, you will find desktop now on your favorites on the sidebar. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips just like this.